Put some power into your facilities with the super service team at MaintenX. Curb to roof, coast to coast, self-performing and 24/7. One call and we're on the job. Hurricane coming? We'll get you covered. Something's broken? We'll find it and fix it. Scratching your head wondering which contractor you need for what? Let MaintenX be your one call for any and all facility repair, maintenance, and improvement. We can be there in a flash. With hundreds of super technicians across the continental U.S., MaintenX is the premier service provider for any size business. With 40 years of proven experience, we fix, install, and build it right, on time, safely, and under budget. If you've got a job, we've got your team. With just one call, MaintenX's super service team will be on the job so you can get back to work. Call us today.